Learn Urdu. This language is spoken in Pakistan and India. Some words and some small phrases in Urdu. This, ye. Now you say. Now we will say together, ye. I. मैं. Now you say. Now we will say together. मैं. That. वो. Now we will say together. Cat. Billy. Now you say. Now we will say together. Billy. We. हम. Now you say. Now we will say together. हम. This is a cat. ये बिल्ली है. Now you say. Now we will say together. ये बिल्ली है. This is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. Now you say. Now we will say together. ये मेरी किताब है. She is my friend. वो मेरी दोस्त है. Now you say. वो मेरी दोस्त है. Now I'm going to repeat some words. This, ये. I, मैं. That, वो. Cat, बिल्ली. We, हम. This is a cat. ये बिल्ली है. This is my book. ये मेरी किताब है. She is my friend. वो मेरी दोस्त है. See you again. Please subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.